Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to hide hotspot network on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so yeah, if you are annoyed because your hotspot password is continuously being hacked by other people, even though it has been changed periodically, then the last thing that you can do is hide the SSID network from the hotspot so that when you want to recover it, you have to connect manually by entering the network name and password. Alright guys, so how to do that is very easy. So yeah, let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, the first thing first, now you can go to settings menu on your phone. And then now you can go to portable hotspot. And then now you can click on setup portable hotspot, and then you can turn on the menu hide it SSID. So yeah, your hotspot network will not appear anymore. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on next video.